My name is Courtney Siever. I'm one of the project managers that worked on the University of Houston Clear Lake wayfinding implementation. So the University of Houston Clear Lake is a college campus on 524 acres of land. It engages over 7,700 students. So the main goal of this project for University of Houston Clear Lake was to improve visitor and student experience through wayfinding signage with a focus on quality and longevity. It's a really beautiful campus. There is like a central area where most of the buildings connect and where like majority of the parking is, but there are a lot of buildings that are farther off that definitely take some more support to get to. The campus has wetlands and nature trails that are still on campus but located, slightly away from the buildings. You can actually walk through the wetlands and look at lots of wildlife and maybe see an alligator or two. We had a unique material request for porcelain sign faces for sign types that would potentially require future updating. Porcelain enamel has some unique characteristics for durability and longevity that the architect wanted because of the extreme heat and weather conditions that the campus sometimes faces. We worked with our engineering team and University of Houston Clear Lake's architect to determine construction that worked within our process but also satisfied the design intent. Porcelain isn't a painted or printed color. It's actually colored during the fabrication process. So we worked with our vendor to sample and resample and sometimes resample until we achieved a color that Take Form and the client were satisfied with. So the monument signs, the design around those was something a little more simplistic, but also featured some unique edge lighting that really draws your eye to it, especially in the evening. And we did some illuminated push-through letters. The new monument signs really blend with the environment with just like a peak of some branded color. We also did parking signage, so lot identification, lot markers, pay station IDs, also traffic control and street identification. So a comprehensive wayfinding solution. After the first implementation, the architect in particular was very happy with seeing really his creation brought to life. So it was a big moment for them.